Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Monzo app, a popular mobile banking service that allows you to manage your finances on the go. To get started, you will need to download the Monzo app from the App Store and sign up for an account. Once you have downloaded the app, you will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to provide identification documents such as a passport or driving license to verify your identity. After you have signed up, you will receive a Monzo card in the mail, which you can use to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs to activate your card. Open the Monzo app and go to the card section, where you will find the option to activate your card. To add money to your Monzo account, you can set up a direct debit from your main bank account or transfer money using the app. You can also use the Monzo app to send money to friends or family members who also have a Monzo account. One of the key features of the Monzo app is its ability to track your spending in real time. The app will categorize your transactions into different categories such as food, transport, and entertainment, making it easy to see where your money is going. To use the Monzo app to make a payment, simply open the app and select the Pay option. You can then enter the amount you want to pay and the recipient's details. You can also use the app to set up direct debits and standing orders to pay regular bills. In addition to its payment features, the Monzo app also offers a range of budgeting tools to help you manage your finances. You can set a budget for different categories of spending and receive notifications when you go over your limit. To stay on top of your finances, it is a good idea to regularly check your account balance and transaction history. You can do this by opening the Monzo app and selecting the account option. From here, you can view your current balance and see a list of all your recent transactions. Overall, the Monzo app is a powerful tool for managing your finances on the go. By following these steps and taking advantage of its features, you can stay in control of your money and achieve your financial goals.